Greetings in Yoruba language.
Ikini ní Ede Yoruba.
Morning,
Àárọ̀ tàbí òwúrọ̀.
afternoon,
Ọ̀sán,
early evening,
ìrọ̀lẹ́, about 4 p.m. to 6 or 6:30 p.m.
late evening,
Alẹ́, from 7 p.m. downwards.
goodbye,
Ó dàbọ̀,
good night,
ó dàárọ̀ tàbí ó dòwúrọ̀.
good morning,
Ẹ káàárọ̀,
good afternoon,
ẹ káàsán,
good evening,
ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́,
good evening.
ẹ káalẹ́.
Wait a minute. I thought ekale was good evening.
Well, ekurole and ekale both mean good evening. You see, ekurole means early evening, which is from 4 p.m. to 6 or 6:30 p.m. And ekale means late evening, which is from 7 p.m. downwards.
Oh, I get it now.
Yes. So, ekurole,
Good evening
ekale,
also means good evening.
yes. Ó dàbọ̀.